Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Today we gonna learn about what is a programming language and why do we use programming languages. So, a programming language is something that we use to talk to the computer. For example, I am talking to you using English. Okay, you can understand what I'm saying because you know English. So that's what the exactly the case in about computers. So why do we use uh, programming languages? We use programming languages to do certain tasks that human can't do. So let's just give me an example. Give you an example. So uh, there are lots of things that humans can't do. There's a limit that humans can do. Okay, but computer's limit is more higher than that. But computer has no brain. We need to give it instructions. That's where coding comes in. So before about talking coding, so let's see what are the most popular programming languages in 2021. One thing is Python. Okay, another thing is Java. We're gonna cover it all by one. So today we're gonna start a series about Python. Yay! So let's start it out. So what do you need for starting programming Python? First, you need to download Python, the language. You computer needs to learn the language. So to do this, let's just say Python download. It's that easy. Download. Okay. Now after it comes up, let's just click the first link. Okay. python.org/downloads. Then click the newest version or the latest version. Okay. Now the reason we click the newest version is it's already being no sorry for that, it's continuously being updated by Python. So we want a continuously updating version in Python, so or the latest version, so just click it. After that, because I have already downloaded it, it doesn't ask for me a location in this computer. So if you are clicking this in the first time, it will ask for the location. So just give it a location and you will be ready to go. After that, you learn the language, but you need something to write the language in. So that's where the text editors come in. There are lots of text editors for Python, but in these tutorials we're gonna use PyCharm. In my opinion, PyCharm is a good uh, PyCharm is a good text editor for usage. Okay. Now, also I want to say that you don't want to use you don't want to really download any of these things. Okay. You can just go Python online compiler. Then it will automatically give you a place that you can code online. That's easy. Also, we're gonna do tutorials using this online Python compilers because everyone don't have much internet for, or maybe they don't want to download Python. So if you don't want to, just go ahead and go to programming/python programming/online compiler slash. Okay, that's just that simple. Also, it doesn't matter whatever I code in here, you can also code in PyCharm. In PyCharm, it's a little bit easy because you don't need to write everything. When you write, let's just say the first letter, then it's gonna pop up what you can write with the first letter. So, if you need to make things easy, just go ahead and click not Python, PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm. PyCharm download. Then, as always, just click the first link and okay. As you can see, there are two versions of Python. PyCharm professional community. So community version is free. It's actually, I think, if you need to download professional version of Python, feel free to go ahead and do that, but you can do all the stuff with community also. So just click download, then it will ask for a place to download. Okay, now it doesn't happen here because I already downloaded it. No, it started. Okay, sorry for that. Now it will as always it will ask for a location in your computer. Just give the location and you are ready to go. One more thing, after this downloading are finished up, then you need to go to the location that you stored Python and PyCharm, then run the installer. After that, do whatever they say to you, then you will be ready to code in Python. So hope you guys have a great day. We will be doing a series about Python. So just if you guys like our videos, please click the subscribe button. It will be really helpful. Whatever. So hope you guys enjoy the video and have a good day. Bye bye.